Hi guys, welcome to the Active channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your screen in Discord. So let's go to Discord first. After going to Discord, you can see here, go to see here many servers here. Go one server, then go to General or any voice channel. After that, you can see here, turn on camera and share your screen. Click on share your screen and then go entire screen. Click here on. After that, you have to click here, then share option will come, then go to share. Your screen is sharing here and you're on live. Okay guys, so guys, this is how you can share your Discord or share your screen in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.